Hashtag #MeMadeMay coming at you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Viv and this is Stitches and Seams. Thanks for coming back. Today we have a bit of a different one for you. It is a tag that the gorgeous Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles. Everything will be linked and or cards above, whatever, wherever, you know, all the things that you need. Karina and I were interviewed this past week, or this week, something like that. Anyway, on That Sewing Blab that is hosted by Dawn and Myra on YouTube. Pardon. Dawn is Dueling Designs on YouTube, and Myra, of course, is Myra Lorraine here on YouTube. Fantastic sewists, lovely, sweet women who love to interview other people and share that with everybody. There's a lot of inspiration that comes out with that. They do contests and all kinds of stuff. So if you haven't checked them out, you really ought to. You'll learn a lot. So we will link the interview with myself and Karina here up in the cards for you all so that you can see that. Myra and Dawn were just kind of interviewing a few participants in MMMay 2018 this year and kind of seeing how it all worked for them. And so Karina was thinking that it would be kind of cool if we could extend this out, because obviously it's impossible to interview everyone that participated, because this is the 9th year of MMMay, started by Sozo, and that will all be linked below just in case you've never heard of it. So you can check that out. Anyway, so yeah, we're just gonna put these questions out and we will tag some people and you can answer them via video or you can answer them via Instagram. All right, so I have my phone here and I'm just gonna reference the questions. These are the same questions that we were asked on the show, and that's what we wanna know about you guys. So let's get started. The first question is, what prompted you to join MMMay this year? For me, this was my 2nd year. Last year was the first time I'd ever heard of it, and I was still kind of new to sewing for myself. So I didn't have a whole lot of garments at that time, but I participated and I did obviously the best that I could for that. And so I just really wanted to do it again because I knew that I had more clothes this year. And I do like the thought of being able to kind of pinpoint the holes in your wardrobe, things that you're just not wearing because you've either fallen out of love or quality or whatever. You know, there's a reason why you're not wearing it. What is that reason? And just kind of, you know, getting a feel for what's actually in your wardrobe, pulling out the things that you haven't worn because it looks like, you know, dog's dinner or whatever. So yeah, that's really what I wanted to do. I wanted to see what I have, what I need, and what I don't want anymore. The second question is, what percentage of me-made clothes do you have in your closet? Well, it was higher at the start of the year, but because of my weight loss, I'm kind of down to like around 30, 35 maybe. Because with the weight loss, I can't fit into some of the things anymore. The ones that I can easily alter, I'm still trying to kind of do that. And that was part of my pledge for this year, was to try and wear as much me-made as possible while also altering the things that I could alter so that I could continue to wear them. Like the Rhapsody blouse that I'm wearing right now. I took, I think I said 4.5 inches total out of this top because that's how much weight I've lost. And so, yeah, just doing those types of things. That's where I'm at. Third question is, do you still purchase ready to wear? If so, has sewing changed the amount you purchase? The answer to that is yes, for the time being. I have, because of the weight loss, run out of pants, and going outside without pants on is never a good idea. So I have bought a couple of, you know, just jeans, or I think I bought a pair of shorts also. Excuse me. Just to kind of tide me over. because I'm in that like awkward phase where I don't really want to sew a whole lot of fitted things, because I know that very shortly it's going to be too big, or, you know, well, yeah, it's going to be too big. And I don't know, it's kind of a pain in the rear end to try to take things in all the time. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that one. But yes, sewing has changed the amount of ready to wear stuff that I purchase, because I don't normally, like when I was at the beginning of the year, I wasn't really buying any ready to wear. I was just wearing everything that I had and making more, which I love, because I really, really, really love being able to make my own stuff and fitting me so that I feel comfortable and confident in those clothes. Question number 4. Did you learn anything, new about your MMMay clothing by joining the challenge? I don't know if I would say that I've learned anything new, just because for me it's been so hard to participate this year. So I see things that I need, like I need pants bad. Yeah, I need pants bad. So I kind of need to focus on doing that as I get closer to my goal weight. I definitely want to kind of dig in more to that area specifically. Yeah, that's all I got for that one. The next one is, I think that's 5. Yeah, 5. Did you find anything difficult while participating in the challenge? For me, it was difficult altering what I had, because obviously I made the things and I wanted to continue wearing some of them, that, you know, and everything that I could save, I wanted to save. So like I said, I'm still kind of in that process of taking what I can in. So learning to alter things and learning if it's even possible for me to alter them has been difficult. I'm not a patient person. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time faffing around with stuff. I just kind of want to go, you know. So yeah, that's probably been my biggest challenge. The next one, what do you feel was the best about the challenge, or lessons learned for you, if any? The best part for me, I do feel, is because I did do those alterations. It pushed me to do that, because normally I wouldn't. Normally I would just have given it on to the charity shop or Goodwill or whatever you want to call it, and I would have just made something else. But there are things in my wardrobe that I really love, like this. I just love it, and I love wearing it, and I think it's pretty, and I just want to continue wearing it. So just doing that has really been the best part of the challenge for me. Let's see. Will you join the challenge again? Absolutely, I will. And I hope that this time next year, I will be more able to kind of participate in the challenge fully. With having a limited wardrobe, obviously it's harder. And that's the thing about MMMay, is there's no pressure. You know, don't think that you have to wear your whole entire outfit has to be MMMay, sleeping in MMMay pajamas, wearing MMMay undergarments. That is not it at all. The whole idea is for you to see what you have, see what you need, see what you're not wearing, and why that is. You don't even have to post. There's no rule saying that you have to post on it. It's basically for that person who is undertaking the challenge to look through their wardrobe with new, fresh eyes and see what's what. Okay? That's really the whole point of the challenge. And if you've never taken part in it, I do advise you to take part in it. It's a great kind of, what's that word? Barometer? Some kind of measuring device to see where you're at with your MMMay wardrobe, where you want to be. Some people don't want to be 100% with their MMMay wardrobe, and that is A-okay. It's whatever you want, because it's your wardrobe. So that is it for the questions, and I would like to tag Laura from Sewing from Stash. I would also like to tag Sue from Sue Stitches and Yarns. I'm sorry, Sue. Let's see. Is there anybody else? Let's see if we can get Rachel and Nikki from the Stitch Sisters to participate. So ladies, you've both been tagged. So that's 4 tags for me. Laura from Sewing from the Stash, Sue from Sue Stitches and Yarns, Rachel from She Sews Vintage, and Nikki from Sodbury Sewing. So that is it for today, guys. I hope that you all take part. And if you do, tag Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles, Elizabeth from Elizabeth Made This, Nateida from Naturaldane, and myself from Stitches and Seams. We would love to see your answers. So thanks, guys, for watching. Take care and have a good day. Bye.